Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I don't even need to give you an intro. You know why we are here. I want to address some of the issues that my customers are having with my first launch of my brand, Jaclyn Cosmetics, and my lipsticks. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know the bases I'm going to be covering throughout this video. I want to talk about the melting issue. I want to talk about the white fuzzies. I want to talk about the black holes. And I want to talk about the grittiness and the texture that you guys are experiencing and give you informed details of what all of these issues are, what is causing them, and how they're going to be fixed.
Hi everybody! President Elmer here. I'ma call this press conference because Elmer just wants to talk to you about a few things. Any questions?
And I know it's taken me a couple days to get all my ducks in a row and get this video out for you guys, but I've been going through all the documentation and on the phone with labs and chemists and the owner of my lab and my entire team for several days and doing a very in-depth investigation to figure out exactly what's going on so that I can give you the most informed information as a brand owner.
You have a face of a brand and your name is on the packaging and you couldn't even tell them and get my shade taken down? Can't relate. I own my own company.
Until the same month that I actually launched my brand. It was only a couple weeks before, a couple weeks prior to my launch that we started actual mass production. Although I had been so in-depth with my formulation, my colors, and approving all of that, mass production did not go into production until right before my launch because we wanted them to be fresh. We didn't want them to sit on shelves. And because my brand has been pushed back so many times, I actually already went through the same situation with a different lab several years ago. I went into mass production, ended up having an issue while in mass production. Every single ingredient is FDA approved and they are not expired. Black dots or black holes that you guys are seeing. What these black dots are actually oxygen bubbles.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Hi everybody!
Can't relate. I own my own company.
Any questions? Okay, next question please.
So if you're experiencing that, please contact help@jaclyncosmetics.com. Show us a photo of your product, a brand new lipstick that does not have any of those issues that you're concerned about.
Can't relate.
The second thing I want to touch on is the texture and the grittiness that you guys are seeing in your lipsticks. Now, although this is not happening to everybody, it's still happening. And basically what this is caused from is the humongous vats. It's almost like, I always want to use the word beaker, but it's not like a beaker or smaller. It's like these gigantic, huge vats that are in labs. It's like this gigantic thing that holds all of your lipstick and it like spins like this and mixes everything up. That vat is not breaking down all of my raw materials because we produce so many lipsticks so quickly.
You know I'm totally off script right now. The Green New Deal, right? Darling, is the wind blowing today? I'd like to watch television, darling. Russia, please, if you can, get us Hillary Clinton's emails.
Contact help@jaclyncosmetics.com. Of course, I will put that email in the video. I'll put it down below. Contact them. All you need to do is show them any proof, a video, a photo, whatever it is, and we will take care of everything for you and make it right. I know a lot of people are like, yeah, well, what if people are lying? I don't even care. Like, I want to make this right for my customers. This is my first launch and it's very embarrassing. I'm not gonna make it about myself in any way.
Can't relate.
So sorry that any of you are experiencing anything less than absolute perfection from my first launch. And I will do whatever it takes to make it up for you. I will send you a brand new lipstick. I will pay for it myself. I'll give you a full refund. I don't care. I want you guys to experience the products that I approved, that I love, and what I want to create for my brand going forward. This is the truth. And every single one of those people are wearing white gloves. That's it. I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for understanding. Contact help@jaclyncosmetics.com and we will be back to you shortly. I love you so much and I'll be seeing you soon.
Can't relate. I own my own